Gino, we're going to go through the car wash. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Make no hands.
It's moving us.
The streets are moving us.
Yeah.
Gino, look at the spinny things. See them in front of us over here? Whoa, Gino, what's happening? Wow, what's going on, Gino? Oh, look at that wall. What is that?
Now we can see.
Oh no. Alright, we're past those guys. Now we got the spinning guys. Oh no, the spinning guys.
Wow. Gotta shoot them.
Look at the spinning guys. Oh no, watch out. They're gonna spin really fast.
Come on, guys. Are the spinning fast guys here? Oh, we got the
Uh-oh, the car's getting a bath now. The water.
What's going on? It looks like it's raining.
Gino, we made it. And you still got the dollar in your hand.
Huh?
Your dollar.
Where did we get out? That's really fun.
What?
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah. Now
We
stop.
made it.
Are you going to Dad and
Oh,
Dad?
shit.
Oh my gosh.
Say, Daddy, you don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to drive.
Sorry.
Say, let me drive.
Let me drive.
All right.
Okay, Gino, where are we going now?
I don't know.
Where do you want to go?
To that store that you call it, Mommy.
What, the aquarium?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to Monterey. We'll go to the aquarium and the beach.
In the monorail.
The what?
In the monorail.
The monorail?
Yeah.
You mean the Monterey Aquarium?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to this many.
Okay, we'll go to that many. Okay, say bye, Gino.
Because I'm this one. Huh?
Say bye.
Bye!
Blow a kiss.